My name's Andrew from Europa. We're here at the Shropshire Oktoberfest to introduce our range of plugs and sockets, features and benefits of these, which are push fit. So we have with us Sid, who's one of the directors. We also have Mike, who's an electrician. So Mike, could you just show us how you would use this?
Okay, so these are the sort of sockets we use on site. We've got quick release, single hand operation, a nice big cable gland for easy operation in gloves, and simple push fit connections for our terminals.
Thank you very much, Mike, for that. And just for everyone's details here, these are already primed. As soon as you get this and use it, you don't have to prime these up ready to go. So they're ready to use straight out of the box. So we want to thank Mike for giving up his time, and we want him to get back to work now. So thank you very much for joining us today, Mike. And I'll take those off your hands. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Bye. So we mentioned the quick fit system. So we're going to have a look at this demonstrated now.
Okay, so in the interest of speeding it up, we've stripped the ends back. Obviously, we've got colour-coded cables, which are going to fit nicely within our plug. So we're going to terminate them into the quick release system, nice and simple. So pressing the button just locks them in, very fast, ready to be assembled. So that's as quick and easy as it is. Nice big nut on the back to tighten up the gland, and we have our plug fitted.
Okay, that's great. So thanks for connecting that up, Sid. What's the next steps for you?
So for us now, just check everything over, make sure the plug is nice and secure. We'll then get it on the tester, make sure the lead's all tested up great, and we're good to go.
Sid, you noticed some features about this which are really useful for the Oktoberfest.
Yeah, so for us using these plugs here, obviously we've got a thumb-operated lever for opening the lid on there. It's nice and simple to connect up. But also another useful feature as well, stop anybody tampering. We can obviously place a cable tie round through and back on itself and stop anybody from unplugging our plugs when we don't want them to.
Other useful feature as well is that these can be used as a hook as well if required. So some nice little benefits for this unit. So Sid, we really appreciate you showing us the features and benefits of our plugs and sockets.
No worries, it's been good to learn all about it.
Thank you.